how to access the gold pass in snake.io. Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily access your gold pass and get your gold pass rewards in snake.io. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up snake.io game. We have also created a video on how to install and play snake.io, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, here just simply your main screen should be given up right here on the bottom left side right here. You should be seeing something known as startup pass or your gold pass. So you can just simply select it, and once you selected your pass here, you should be seeing various rewards that you can collect from P-Pass. And if you have gold pass right here, you can just simply collect it as well. So for gold pass, you need to pay some amount of subscription money for it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. You can just simply select it to collect any one of these, just like this right here. And there you go, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.